Hi, and welcome to this video on overview of Python for data science. I'm Raghavendra, an expert in AI, ML, and data engineering. By the end of this video, you will be able to list the features of Python programming language, list different Python libraries for data science. Python is an open source language. Python syntax is readable and hence cuts development time. Python interpreter mandates code indentation, which makes the code look clean. Python has a wide array of libraries from data science to gaming to web development. Python is a de facto library standard for data science. Let's now take a look at what we have in Python for data science. Python is the most popular programming language for data analysis, data exploration and visualization, data cleaning, machine learning, and deep learning, as well as text analytics and NLP. In this video, we are going to list the libraries in Python used for data science, data analytics, and AI. Here are the list of Python libraries for data science. NumPy is used to perform numerical operations on n-dimensional arrays. Pandas for structured data analysis, data exploration, and data cleaning. Matplotlib and Seaborn used for data visualization. Stats models is used for estimating statistical modeling and perform statistical analysis. Scikit-learn is used for machine learning, both for supervised as well as unsupervised learning. TensorFlow is used for building deep learning models around image and speech. NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit, along with TextBlob and SpaCy are used for text processing and NLP tasks. Thank you for watching this video.